Hello, I'm Alexander from Trading Price Section on Futures.com. It's March the 2nd of 2015 and this is the recap of today's trades. We will also look at the trades from Friday. On Friday it's very difficult for me to make a video because most of the time I spend the weekends out. So for this recap I use the 2 minutes chart to preserve some nuances of my trading strategy. Let's look at Friday trades. 26, 27, here it is. We took a total of 2 trades on Friday. Let's look at it. We could see a resistance area. It's this spot here. Price pulled back to it, broke it, pulled back to it and gave us the entry. The entry was a little bit late, but it was a valid setup, so we just had to take it. The target was missed by I think it was 3 ticks. 79, no, sorry, 5 ticks. And it took me out at 9 ticks of loss for this setup. So a total of minus 27 ticks in loss for the first trade. The second setup came about an hour later, 45 minutes. The same resistance level was still in place. Price broke the resistance level, turned into support, came back to it and gave us the entry at 49.18. Took 2 contracts off at 15 ticks and the last contract was basically a scratch. So the outcome of this setup was 31 ticks in profit. For the rest of the day, price was ranging, so no clear trend, and basically we had to watch the market. So daily outcome of Friday was 4 ticks. Let's look at the outcome, the monthly outcome. Sorry. The monthly outcome of February 2015 was a net P&L of 9,206 bucks. The trade setups was almost 70% win ratio. On the website you can see all the setups, all the specific setups. What I like to do also in my trade journaling is looking at the different targets and their win-loss ratio. The last target I don't like. It is not a matter of liking or not, but most of the time the market has a specific range. So basically the last target I only use it when the market is really trending. So most of the time I'm targeting my exits at 15 and 30 ticks in profit. And if you look at the percentage of winners, it's a good outcome. So that was basically it for February. Let's look at today's trades. It was a difficult open. There was no no clear trend in the direction. The price was going down, but not in a way you expect to go to it to go down. What we basically had was a resistance area at the dirty level right here. What I basically was looking at was a setup near this level, but there was nothing going on. So basically we had to wait. The first setup that we could look for was here at this spot. We broke our level up. Basically, if you look at our higher time frame, let's look at it. Price pierced this resistance area right after the open, and so we now we're only interested in going long. Price pulled back to the area, pulled even lower to a support area, where we were looking for an entry long, but the entry long was not valid because the second test of resistance of support was not met. So we basically had to look at price going up. Then finally we had the setup long. Price formed a area of resistance right at the spot. We had the entry at 50.43. I took one contract off at 15 ticks and two contracts off at 30 ticks of profit. So basically plus 15, plus 13, plus 13 for a daily outcome of 75 ticks. That was $715 bucks for today with one setup, and then basically price it was over. Price went into a consolidation area. So that was it for today. If you like this, subscribe and just take a look at the website. If you have any questions, then just email me. See you all back tomorrow.